Have you ever heard the phrase, I do Windows? I ask not only what does that mean, but what does it say about your professional growth? Dave Maddux, Leadership, Luck, and Life. I do Windows is a colloquial expression that typically means someone is willing to perform various tasks. It originated from individuals offering services like cleaning windows, but is also used to broadly express somebody's readiness to take on any task or any job that needs to be done. It can reflect a willingness to work hard and tackle whatever challenges come your way. I did a video back in April called The Curse of Competency that relates to this topic of being the go-to person on something that wasn't your role and isn't in your position description and how to fix that. Refer to that video for more on this. But for now, back to Windows. You may be saying to yourself, that sounds like the exact person that I want to be known as, or that's the exact employee that I want on my team. Both are great thoughts. Sometimes there is a job that no one wants to do, but it still needs to get done. But my challenge to you would be, is that really what you want to be known for? Don't make yourself expendable, but also don't belittle what you have to offer. It is okay to be a team player and help what needs to be done, but that shouldn't be your only contribution to the team. Be loud and be proud of your talent. You were hired for a reason, and it wasn't just to do Windows. So how do you ensure that you are there for others, but not falling into the trap of just doing Windows and whatever needs to be done? Do you find yourself in the loop of saying, I'm available to help? Have you not cemented your role or your position within an organization? That's okay. That's why I'm here. And that's what growth is all about. We can fix this, develop you. So just contact me with email and website listed below so together we can put some leadership in your life.